February 27th, 2025. I'm Thomas, and this is your view from the Falcon's Nest. The flurry of activity related to the rapid development of the Indiana Enterprise Center between South Bend and New Carlisle is moving at a breakneck speed that already has required extra police in the area to help control traffic, and construction won't be slowing down soon. Amazon Web Services aims to have 18 data centers completed or underway on both sides of Indiana to near Larison Boulevard or Strawberry Road before the end of the year, and the GM/Samsung SDI partnership is about to begin construction on its adjacent EV battery plant in the coming months, according to the South Bend Tribune. As as of this week, 56 job openings have been posted for the facilities. There are many different strategies for doing well on the SAT, which Glenn Jr.'s and thousands of others across the state will take next Wednesday. In today's Score and Triumph, we will take a look at some of those items generally regarded as hopefully on the SAT. One of the actively reading passages with the multiple questions already in mind, narrowing down the answer choices and managing time effectively. You can get discouraged by difficult questions, but don't let them bog you down. Instead, focus on answering as many questions correctly as possible, and that's today's Score and Triumph. And now to weather.
Rain. Temperature 36 degrees. Real feel. 33 degrees. Air quality. Fair. Shirt. Halfway dissolving. Not good. Let's do this fast. Okay. 3-day forecast. High at 47. Low of 26. Rainy. Tomorrow. High 56. Low 30. Partly cloudy. Saturday. High 33. Low 19. Snow. That's all you have for weather. That's the main desk. Sport.
The actor who played the coach of the mythical Indiana State champion Hickory Huskers in the movie Hoosiers has died. Gene Hackman, who played Coach Norman Dale, was found dead along with his wife and dog in their New Mexico home yesterday. He was 95. Foul play is not suspected, according to reports.
Tomorrow night, the Falcon boys basketball team conclude the regular season. The host Goshen. JV tip is at 6 with varsity following at 7:30. Tuesday, they'll open the Plymouth sectional in a well-matched game with New Prairie. Now back to lunch with Caleb.
Lunch today. Tangerine chicken stir fry, ham and cheese calzone, roasted baby carrots, peas, pineapple, and mandarin oranges. And a variety of muffin. That's all you have for today, Falcons. Have an amazing day.